Time to go to work. Yes, workers. Can't get nothing done without workers. So today, we are going to check out some of the workers here at the Princess Juliana International Airport. Over 200 workers, so to say. So, got my jacket, my helmet, I'm safety. Let's go check out some of the workers here at the Princess.
Hey, my name is Orlando Denji.
Luis Mesa.
My name is Ramon Perez.
I'm Kumarat Singh.
Hi, my name is Shannon Bell.
My name is Wilfred Charles Dunker.
I'm Anthony Clark.
I'm originally from Aruba.
St. Martin.
I'm from the DR.
I'm originally from Anguilla.
I'm from Guyana.
I'm from Jamaica.
I'm the safe and health person for the site.
I work at the electrical department.
I'm here as a carpenter.
Nosotros somos los que estamos instalando la mecánica, la tubería, y estamos instalando los toiles, estamos instalando los lavamanos, y así sucesivamente.
I am the health and safety officer, and I look out for the well-being of all persons employed.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy G-Money here. Once again, we're at the Princess Juliana International Airport, and today we're going to talk to some of the workers here who are working. So I got my man who is the electrical supervisor, or one of the electrical supervisors?
One of the electrical supervisors.
Okay, so tell me, what is a day-to-day operation for you here at Princess Juliana International Airport?
Well, the day-to-day operation is like say different tasks in the work, like say getting the light system ready, getting the outlets ready, and different things like that, pulling cable, the main cables, and all of those kind of things, getting all of those things ready.
So where exactly are we?
We are on the first level, section D, in the airport area, the reconstruction part.
Okay, but this room is a
bathroom.
It's a bathroom.
Yes.
Okay, so your job now is to do what here in this?
To do the installation and put the clamps and everything and do the connection.
For all the wiring.
Yes, and for the lights.
Ah, for the lights.
Because mostly here is a lot of lights coming.
So you told me, Mr. Singh, you do safe and health here on the site. Exactly what is that?
It's like you go around and check with the guys and see they're working on a safe environment.
My day-to-day task is ensuring that site conditions are appropriate for all persons. If we need to have any signage placements to ensure that our visitors do not get lost, they're aware of site activities, just to ensure as minimal incidents as possible, not only with our workforce persons, but also with our visitors that do come to the site periodically.
Okay. Now, have you ever worked on such a project of this big magnitude?
Well, this one, like say, it have more technical.
Why technical?
It have more technical things in it because, like say, don't forget, everything is upgrading.
What would be for you the most challenging part of this job or difficult to this job?
That's when we way up on the scaffold, trying to run the cables for the lights. That's the more difficult parts here.
What is your overall feeling of working for the Princess, trying to put the Princess back together, trying to get it up and running?
Well, tell you the truth, I feel happy to be here, right? Doing this job in St. Martin. Because anytime I do leave and come back, I could always walk around and say, I've been here, I work here.
It's a great feeling. It's actually the first project that I've worked on this scope. Usually I've worked on minimal projects doing construction works, but on this scale, this is new, and it's a great experience also.
What it is for you to work on such a big project of this nature for St. Martin?
Well, it's a nice experience, you know. It's one of the biggest projects I've ever worked on, you know. And it's a lot of work, a lot of pressure. It's just a nice experience, you know.
How do you feel working on such a big project like this for St. Martin?
Well, I feel very glad and very honorable to be one of the persons who be here, and plus I'm from St. Martin, so it's an extra perk for me.
Well, I feel great about it to get it to run, you understand, but it takes time, you understand.
It's awesome for me because I am one of the men who I'm the foundation here on this airport. I work here to build all the structure.
The original airport?
Yes.
Original rude boy on your scene.
And I feel so joyful to be here now at this moment to refurbish it back.
Well, nice talking to you, man.
Yeah, you too, man.
All right, and good luck.
Yeah, you too, brother.
All right. Thanks for talking to you.
Edgy man, okay,
All right?
good, okay,
Cool.
good, yeah.
All right. DJ Fabulous.
That's me.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just had a sighting here at Princess Juliana International Airport. I'm so excited. Rick Ross is here, the boss. Rick Ross, what do you do? Like, why are you in St. Martin working on the airport? What's happening?
Just here we drop in, we're making a picture. That's it. Quick in and out.
Okay.
That's it.
We got celebrities in the building. Boss.
So, can you sing a little something for us?
How can we forget the time we met Jesus? He is our Father. Underline, you put your life in between us. You don't run in away. I was making it from my head.
Hey, that was good. Well, nice to meet you.
Getting to your buddy.
And good luck.
Thank
All right.
you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Shannon.
Thank you.
Well, nice meeting you, man.
Yeah,
and
man.
keep up the good work. And it's good to
Always.
see you came back to do more work
Yes,
on the
right,
Princess.
sir.
All right. As you can see, it takes a lot of manpower and woman power to get things done here at the Princess. 240 workers, 130 which are local. Now that is a lot of man/woman power here. And of course, they're all doing their job, got to meet their deadlines, and they're all working together and making sure everything is safe, everything is working perfectly. And that's what's happening here at the Princess to get things done. I'm gonna grab me something to eat. I just saw the rest of those guys are grabbing themselves something to eat, and we'll be back with some more episodes. Click that like button and check out future and past episodes of Restoring a Princess.